on your left.
Storm side?
Yeah, we're on your left. Got one. There's another.
He's running. He's in there.
You still alive?
Yeah. He's on my
Okay.
right. He's on my right. You guys are gonna.
Okay.
I'm in the two. You see the cement blocks?
Yeah.
I'm at the cement blocks.
Are you at the tanker truck? No, that's him shooting at us. He's about to push tanker
He
truck.
just killed me. He just
Okay.
killed me.
I just killed the guy that killed you.
Nice. Me?
Alright, yep, I just killed the guy that killed you. Wolf, he's about to start pushing me. I gotta heal. I'm going in the bush and laying down. You're literally my protection. Oh god, he fucking... Woo! This is why I wanted to come to customs.
I killed one.
Yeah, I did too. I avenged you, Chris, so I'm already happy.
Hell yeah.
Are you dead? Oh, I'm getting shot at. He's right in front. He's right in front. Alright, you got... Yeah, I'm running away, bro. I'm getting a fucking position. I am a potato right now. I got a heavy bleed. Did you kill him? Good shit. Alright, let me heal myself. And we're gonna fucking loot the fuck out of this and get the fuck out of here. Yeah, we just killed 3 people. Holy shit! I'm sorry, I gotta calm down. Let me mute for a second.
There's a guy like past the cement blocks. That's super juiced.
Yeah, I killed him. He's mine.
No. The guy past the cement blocks is the guy that I killed. The guy
Okay.
in the cement blocks is the guy that you killed.
Okay. I'm a
There's
potato right now, though,
There's
but
two
yeah.
super heavy guys.
Okay.
You guys should be able to clean up on that.
Even if I die, I avenged you, Sensei. You should be proud of me.
That's a good kill, dude. Those guys are big dudes.
Dude, I W-keyed the fuck out of him. That's something I'm trying to do is start W-keying people. And he...
Use your sound. Use your sound right now. Sound after a big fight like that's super important.
My chest rig is at 16.5 out of 40. Alright, I'm coming back to you, Wolf.
Yeah, dude. That sounds about right.
Alright, yeah. Alright, this is me running up, by the way. Dude, this guy was a Terminator. He was wearing Gazelle.
Yeah, that makes sense. That boy was ready to rock, dude. I fucked him up, too. I fucked his friend up, I killed his friend, and fucked him up. And then he fucking killed me. Loot those motherfuckers and get out.
Yeah, we're getting out.
Get your ass done. Make a shit ton of money on that, bro.
I'll take that F5 switchblade. Oh my fuck. fucking god.